Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths Explainer. I am studying next question number is 8 class 10. Exercise number is 7.1. Chapter is coordinate geometry. Question is find the value of y for which the distance between the points P, coordinates of P is 2 and minus 3 and the coordinates of Q is 10 and y is 10 units. Therefore, in this question, we have to find the distance using the distance formula. Okay? Using distance formula. Using distance formula. Distance of PQ is equal to under root. First of all, I am writing the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and in this formula we have to put the value x2 is the 10 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is y given minus y1 is minus 3 and minus 3. Okay, and opening the bracket is equal, therefore it will be 10, right? Because 10 units given है. हमारा distance between this and this value is 10. Therefore we can write 10 units, and after that 10 minus 2 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 10. Yes, and then opening the bracket 8 is 64 plus y square. This is using a plus b whole square formula. Therefore, we can write y square plus 3 square means 9 plus 3, 2 into y into 3, 2 into y into 3. Just like the 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 10. And then 64 plus y square plus 9 plus 6y is equal to 10, right? And then y square, arranging y square plus 6y plus 73 is equal to 10. And then we have to remove the root sign. Therefore, squaring both sides. Squaring both sign. Therefore, square will be deduct. Okay, the square cut, cancelled. Therefore, y square plus 6y plus 73 whole square under root whole square. Therefore, 10 square. It means root and square cut. Therefore, we can write y square plus 6y plus 73 is equal to 100. Okay, and then y square plus 6y 73 minus 100 is equal to 0. And splitting, in this question we have to split y square plus 6y minus 27 is equal to 0. Okay, and then in this question splitting 27, factor of 27 is equal to 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, and again 3 1 is 3. Therefore, y square plus 3 3 is 9, 9y minus 6y minus 27 is equal to 0, and common we have to take the common y, and y plus 9 and minus 6 common, y minus 9, 3 2 ja 6, 6 common, 9 minus 6, 3, but here is 6y, we have to 9 minus 3y is equal to 6y. Therefore, in this question, we have 2 common minus 3, and balance is y plus 9 is equal to 0, and then y minus 3, y minus 3 and y plus 9 is also 0. Therefore, in this question, we can write y is equal to minus 3 will be positive. Minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 3. And y plus 9 is also 0. Y is equal to minus 9. Therefore, this is the answer. Right? Then we have to find the value of y. Therefore, y is equal to 3 or minus 9. 3 or minus 9. This is the answer. Okay? Therefore, in last we can write y is equal to 3 and minus 9 also. This is the answer. Okay? And here this question over. And after that, next question we will solve on another time in next video. Thank you.